Hello everyone, in today's topic we are going to talk about two-dimensional and three-dimensional geometric figures. What is geometry? Geometry comes from the ancient Greek word geo and metron, meaning earth measure. The mathematician who works in the field of geometry is a geometer. 2D or two-dimensional shapes are everywhere. What are two-dimensional geometric figure or 2D? So sometimes it is better to write 2D rather than writing two-dimensional because it is very long already. So it has length and width and has an area. Examples for this one: circle, triangle, square, rectangle, pentagon, crescent, rhombus, and other two-dimensional shapes. And what are three-dimensional geometric figure or 3D? It has length, width or breadth, and height, and has a volume. So these are the examples for the three-dimensional geometric figure. We have cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, pyramid. So these are some examples of 3D. And we also have sphere. So most of the objects around us are 3D. They have length, the breadth, and height. So examples of 3D objects are basketball ball, which is a sphere, the die, which is a cube, the traffic cone, which is at the base is a cuboid, and with that at the top is a cone. We have the battery, a cylinder, and then we also have rectangular blocks, which are cuboid, and marbles, which are sphere, and then the fish tank or aquarium, which is a cuboid. Two-dimensional geometric figures are related to 3D in a way that you can see 2D shapes on the faces of 3D geometric figures. So the face of a 3D is a flat side of the object. That is why 2D is related to 3D because of the flat side of a three-dimensional. So if we are going to talk about the face of a 3D, your keyword is flat side. So supposing we have this refrigerator or fridge. So this is the flat side, which is a rectangle. And then we have also the Coke-in can. So this side is a rectangle also. Why rectangle? Because when you flatten the Coke-in can, you will gonna discover that it is a rectangle. And then this box, we have this flat side, which is a rectangle. And then going back to the Coke-in can, this part, which is the flat side, another flat side, it is a circle. As you can see, these 3D objects, they are composed of flat sides, which are two-dimensional. So we have this Rubik's. This side is a flat side and it is a square, and we have the football ball. So we have the flat side, which is a circle, and we have the pyramid. And then this side or the flat side is a triangle. And at the base, it is also flat, which is a rectangle. So what is the difference between 2D and 3D according to the figure? So as you can see here, along 2D, we only have the length and the height. Whereas when we are talking about 3D, we have the length, the height, and the width. So what makes them differ from each other is the width or breadth. So let's take a look at the difference between two-dimensional shapes and three-dimensional shapes. So under 2D, they are flat, have corners, sides. Example for this one, circle, square, rhombus, and other else. Under the three-dimensional shapes, they are not flat, they have vertices, or if only one vertex. And then edges, then it has faces also. So example for this one, we have sphere, cone, cylinder. So as you can see here, the face, these are the vertex, and then this is the edge. So we also have isometric drawing. So what is isometric drawing? It allows the designer to draw an object in 3 dimensions. So from here, we have the grid here, and then we have the isometric figure. So isometric figures are figures that we can draw on an isometric grid. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please do your worksheet number 3. It is a live worksheet for your practice. So thank you for watching and see you again next time. Bye!